Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kylie and this is the premier place for makeup, effects, skincare, and positive mindset, all from a woman of color's perspective. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss 3 things to consider when purchasing skincare. Before you guys come at me, I know this is wrinkly. I've tried. Eventually the wrinkles will come out. I have a cat, gets into everything, whatever, life, it's a pandemic, we're just gonna keep rolling with it. So the very first thing you need to consider when purchasing skincare is, what is it you are trying to treat? Now, if you're not exactly sure what I mean by that, I have done a video that sort of outlines the different kinds of skin types that there are and where you may fall in. I'll link that right up here and below. But basically, what is it you are trying to treat? Hyperpigmentation, acne, dryness. Do you have any kind of premature wrinkling in the eye area? Things like that. What are you trying to treat? That is the first thing you need to know. So tip number 2, really important. We have to manage our expectations. So what I mean by that is you may not always see something overnight. Whoa, I got results. I have baby skin. It is a long game. Our skin and skin chemistry is always changing as we grow, as we get older or wiser, as I like to say. And it also depends on the environment. Are there a lot of pollutants? Do you live in an urban area? Things like that. We have to be patient and you have to be consistent with using that product, most likely 4 to 6 weeks if you want to see a result. So that is huge. Manage your expectations when purchasing a product. And that brings us to tip number 3, which is formulation. Formulation is key when it comes to figuring out what skincare products are going to be working for you in the luxury or in the affordable categories. Why? Because how something is formulated will determine how it's going to work for you and your skin. And that also goes into how are they harvesting the key ingredients in the products that you are looking into, and what is the delivery system in which those products are going to be distributed into the skin. Now, I say all this to mean not all luxury skincare will work for you, and not all affordable skincare will work for you either. It could be very challenging to try to figure out what is better for the price point. So you can't only rely on price point alone. You have to go into the ingredients list, and usually if it's in the top 5 to 7 top part of the ingredients list, you know those ingredients are more potent and that is what you're going to be getting in the product. If it's lower on the list or towards the bottom, that means it's not necessarily going to give you those wow results. I have no problem recommending products to clients, friends, and family that might be more within their price point. And everybody's different. Everybody has a different price point threshold that they are willing to spend on their skincare. So I sort of made it my personal goal to try as many products as I can, a lot of products, so that I know and I can be confident in what I'm recommending to other people. Some of the products that I have in my personal stash right now would be Beauty Counter, obviously, and Paula's Choice. Love Paula's Choice. That's a really good one. And I also have, I've recommended Ordinary, I've recommended Inkeylist, and I also have them as well in my personal vanity. I just love product, and those off the top of my head are really great products, and I look forward to reviewing more. Oh my gosh, Good Molecules is in there too. Can't forget about them. And if I think of anything else, I'll put that in the description box below. But I love skincare. I love products. And if I find things that work, I want to share them with all of you. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. As always, I hope this was helpful for you and informative and fun. Comment below any other videos you'd like to see me do. And if you like this one, please check out my other videos. I cover, again, makeup, effects, skincare, and positive mindset from a woman of color's perspective. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.